Shares falling just about 0.5%, but the company posted strong Q4 results as investors look forward to its spinoff of Vimeo. Joining us now exclusively is IAC CEO Joey Levin. Joey, thanks so much for joining us today.
Hey, Julia. Thanks for having me.
Now, you saw great momentum in your Vimeo unit, which we just mentioned you are going to be spinning off in the next couple of months, but you did see Angie Home Services slow in January. I know you stopped giving guidance about 6 months ago, but give us a sense of what these numbers, both from Q4 and the numbers you released about January, indicate about the year ahead.
Yeah, I'd say probably not too much. January and Q4 are about the same on a like-to-like accounting basis. There was an accounting change that made the growth rate numbers look a little bit different. And then I think the first couple weeks of January were a little bizarre in a number of our businesses, just given everything that was going on in the world. But we're pretty optimistic that the quarter and the year is going to look better, certainly better than January looked. And there's a bunch of reasons why that's, I think, sort of anomalous just for the month. We do put out the monthly numbers because we just don't want any particular moment to be a big event, one big quarter, whatever. We want people to see the rhythm of the business the way that we see it, but we don't get too hung up on what happens in 1 month.
You know, Joe, we've heard from a number of other companies about this idea of a pull forward. Just this week, Spotify was saying that it's possible that a lot of their user growth in 2020 was pulling forward what they would have seen in 2021. Curious if you think you're experiencing something similar, especially at companies that you own like Vimeo.
I don't think so. I mean, certainly there was a couple of weeks in March where, just a massive influx in something like Vimeo. But and there's no question that from a large macro perspective, we accelerated the market in Vimeo forward multiple years in terms of penetration of people using video products and understanding the value of video products to their organizations or as individuals. No question about that. Do we think that 2020 itself was something that was moved forward? I'm not, or 2021 as a year was moved forward? I'm not really sure. I think it was a general shift forward, but I'm not sure we sort of robbed the future as much as we just accelerated forward.
And now that you are moving towards that spin of Vimeo, where are you going to be focusing now? Is it going to be more on your units like Care.com? Is it going to be on the online gambling? Where are you going to be looking for more acquisitions?
Yeah, it's a great question. It's the biggest question for us. We're always going to prioritize our existing businesses like Angie and Care and Dotdash. And we're generally going to be better at doing acquisitions and things where we already have a foothold and we know something about the category and we could be smart on that. That's going to be the priority, but we're looking for new opportunities. And online gaming is definitely one. I mean, it's just amazing to see what BetMGM, this little gem inside of MGM. We bought a piece of MGM. One thing we were really excited about in there was the online business, and that online business is proving to be as good or more than we imagined it could be. And so that's a pretty exciting trend, especially seeing what's happening right now with the start to the year and with what's happening in Michigan in particular.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.